It's a beautiful day out. I need to fix those blinds. But anyway, what's up, everyone? It is. I don't really remember what day it is. July. Is it July yet or August? No, it's July. I don't have my computer, so. And Google's not plugged in. I. Okay, now the computer's on. I'm just gonna show you guys. Yep, it's been stuck like that. Keep in mind, the computer is on though. I recently went to Linux, Ubuntu, and I did the update and whatever. Even without the update, it still takes a while but, yeah, so I am now computerless. So, well, yeah, pretty much. But anyway, today I am going to. Does it look like this phone is crooked or just me? Probably just me. But anyway, today I am watching Little People Big World. The last. Last episode for me for the day. Because it's already 12:06, so I need to start getting something done. But, I am currently job hunting. I applied for the AMC Theater in Burlington. I applied for the Microsoft Store in either Bellevue or Linwood. I applied for the Apple Store either in Bellevue or Linwood. I have yet to see if, well, I'm going to go to Walmart today, see if they're hiring, or fill out the stuff online, do that, and then probably Monday, I don't know. Most likely, I'm gonna go to WorkSource. So, I'm also gonna stop by a pizza place. My ex Lindsay told me about that might work. So we're gonna see on that one. So, yeah, long weekend, but you know what? It'll be cool if I can get one, or I don't know, then that'd be cool. That'd be cool. So, yeah, we'll see what happens. Well, much. Wait, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm saying. But anyway, I'm gonna watch the rest of my episode, and then it's off to Walmart. Sitting in the shade for a bit. Almost to Walmart, so don't worry about that, guys. Almost there. Anyway, not hot out, but it's making me tired for some reason. Yes, I'm sleepy. Anyway, how you guys doing? No, I've still not checked what day it is. I believe it's July 20 something. Can't totally remember, so don't quote me on that. So anyway, like I said, I'm going to Walmart just to see if they have any openings or whatever. I don't know if I don't know. Anyway, yeah, I could do this tomorrow since tomorrow is technically a weekday, but I want to reserve that for WorkSource tomorrow. So then probably Tuesday I'll go to Burlington. Check out the theater. And I have $10 on my AMC card, so I could easily use that too. So, waiting for the light. And listen to music. Okay, I am actually heading back home. Not that far, actually. So, let's go. not gonna speed things up because, well, I'm just gonna let you guys go. Very bumpy. Okay, you know what? Yeah, well. But anyway, I went to Walmart. I sure I didn't vlog in there, but I did. I went in Walmart. As I was coming on, I saw the Fort Highlands sign. Of course, Walmart's all in Highlands. Would be honest, those Highlands is not people like me in wheelchairs. And people like Elijah, since he claims that he's been doing applications and stuff. So, we'll see. Anyway, I was gonna buy the movie ticket of, Fast and Furious since, Hobbs and Shaw on the 2nd, but, no, even though I do have $10 on my AMC gift card and I could have used that, because it was only $5.49. That's a cheap movie ticket. Compared to out here, like what, $10, $11? $5 over there? I would go for that. But I didn't. So I'm gonna go home, go online, and since my computer is pretty much at the moment, this is my computer. This is my everything. I use it for recording. I use it for, well, pretty much, my phone is my laptop right now. So, not like I have anything else to say about it. Anyway, this sun is making me tired. Unless I was tired before and I didn't know it. Maybe if I was, I'm more tired now. So I might take a nap. But fill out the application first, because I want to get that done. I have priorities. Yesterday it was Microsoft, Apple, and AMC. 3. And today is Walmart, Best Buy, I'll do the whole pizza thing I told you guys about, for the restaurant thing over in Langley. I'll do that some other day, because I think I'm going to have to go, I think I'm going to actually have to go there to actually do it. So, no big deal. And besides, maybe I can have lunch, if I can make enough money on app sellers, because right now, that's pretty much my only source of income right now. Until next week, which is, oh, and by the way, it is July 28th. So, yeah. Just so you guys know, because I didn't know what day it was. But anyway, it is July 28th. I am coming up to to the apartment right now. I'm actually in the driveway, if you guys can tell from the background. But, yeah, other than that, I don't think much else is going on today. So, we will see. Folks. Anyway, I'll see you guys inside. Is it that time already? Wow. Baby! Anyway, I ain't made a vlog for, not vlog for a few hours. But anyway, sorry about that, guys. So, anyway, I just got done hanging out with my two friends, Kyle and Elijah. And let's see. Not much else went on. Yeah, I did. I actually did not do the whole Walmart thing, but I remembered Amazon. One of the Amazon warehouse. I think warehouse fulfillment, whatever it's called, but they had an opening. So I tried applying there. It kept saying invite email. I tried both of my emails. None of them gone through, so I don't know. So, I think this is what's gonna happen tomorrow. I'm gonna clean up the mess I have here. Back there. Pretty much all that. Oh, by the way, the freezer won't close because there's so much food. yeah, my mom left today. There's more food than I can handle. But anyway, that's actually a pretty good thing. You always want more food than you can actually handle. So I am gonna make myself something right now. I just don't know what I'm gonna have. Let's see. Do. There you go, guys. Take a feast on that. Feast your eyes on good stuff. Good stuff before it kills you. Peace up there. Pizza is up there. She actually doesn't close, but I'll get around to that. Anyway, not much else going on. Just I update you guys. And pretty much, yeah. Laptop still doesn't work. And I forgot what CD, DVD I put Ubuntu on, so I can't really install that again. Otherwise I would. But, yeah. So, that's about it, really. Oh, and by the way, my uncle says he wanted these speakers. They're old. I couldn't get them to work, but yeah. Anyway, there's two speakers over there. But anyway, oh yeah, and the amp down there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's there. It's there. So, anyway, he said he was gonna come pick them up. He hasn't yet. So, he hasn't. So, we'll see what else beholds today, I guess. Beholds today. So, tomorrow's another busy day, I guess. So, are you done? So peaceful, you know? I know you guys can't see much, but it is. So peaceful out. And yes, I do have the window open. So, that's a good thing. It's a very good thing. Wait, no. It's a very good thing. There you go. Anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go. And, well, actually, I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog anymore tonight, or just call it dead. Pick up tomorrow. I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna get off for now and see you when something else happens. I think.